Funded and Focused feature, women, it's time to get funded and focused. Your credit is more than a number. It's your financial voice. It tells lenders, investors, and partners that you're ready to grow, expand, and make your vision a reality. Too often, women feel stuck, unsure, or worse, overlooked. But you can change that today. The Credit Readiness Snapshot gives you the clarity and confidence to understand your credit position and opportunities, identify obstacles keeping you from funding or growth, create an actionable roadmap to strengthen your credit profile, position yourself to confidently secure loans, grants, or investment capital, build the financial confidence to make bold business decisions and life decisions. Now just imagine walking into a funding conversation knowing exactly what your credit says about you and how it works for you. Imagine having a roadmap that turns your ideas into bankable assets. This is what being funded and focused looks like. Don't wait for the perfect time or the ideal circumstances. Every step you take toward financial clarity moves you closer to independence, influence, and impact.